Hey guys, this is Robert Haddad. I'm the founder and CEO of JordiLight, and today I'm going to be showing you 3 ways how you can calibrate your JordiLight device. The first way is going to be the most natural and hopefully the easiest. Secondly, if you have some trouble with the first way, I'm going to give you 2 extra ways that you can make it, and it will be a lot easier for you. So first of all, you're going to go into the application and you're going to connect your JordiLight and go to settings and then click the calibrate button. Once you do that, you'll notice that you have 2 green LEDs here. So JordiLight has 2 magnets on either side, so you want to try and keep it as flat as possible while you do this. So first we'll rotate it like that, and then we're going to rotate it back, and then you'll notice here that you have 4 green LEDs. Now you're going to take it, roll it this way, then back, and then roll it the other way, and back, and then you're going to roll it this way, and back, and then this way, and back. And if everything goes well, you're going to set it down and leave it until you have a full green. If this is all red, that means that your calibration did not work. Just like that. So let's try this again. And there you go. It's all green, which means that your compass is now calibrated. Okay, so let's say that the first way didn't work for you. So now what we're going to do is we're going to try a second way with some assistance. So we can easily use any kind of plastic ruler or flat object, as long as it's plastic. It can't be metal. And we're going to use some tape. So here we have the JordiLight. We're going to stick it on here. Using the tape, we're going to affix it to the ruler just so that it doesn't move around. And this is just a temporary thing, so definitely don't keep your JordiLight with the ruler for a long time. So you're going to want to make sure that the JordiLight is as flat as possible on the ruler, and then you're ready. So we'll go back into the app, we'll select the Calibrate. You'll see the 2 dots again. Now we're going to rotate it the same way we did before. Going back. Now we wait for the 4th light to come on, then we're going to flip it towards us, and then back, and away from us, and then back, and then we're going to go over each end. And back, and over, and back. And then we're going to set it down and wait for it to finish the calibration. Should take only a few seconds, maybe 20 seconds to 30 seconds. You'll see the 5th light turn on green, and then it will give us all green if everything went as planned. And there you go. That one was also a success. Okay, and finally, I want to show you the 3rd way. If you bought either the riding kit or the ultimate kit, you'll have the handlebar attachment included, which is this piece. We don't need the metal bracket, but we'll just use the plastic piece that holds the JordiLight. And we'll need a roll of tape that's kind of thick so we can place it in, and it will make things a lot easier for us. So once we have this, we just set the JordiLight inside and clip it in so that it's nice and flat. Then we stick it on the roll of tape so it looks just like that. Then we go back into the app and we select the calibration menu. We see the 2 lights again. We're going to roll it this way to the counterclockwise, then back clockwise. We're going to leave it like that until we see 4 dots. Then we pick it up, roll it towards us and back, roll it away from us and back, and then roll it again end over end, like that, and like that. Then we're going to set it down and wait for the calibration to succeed again. And like I said before, it will first show the 5th LED as green, and then it will show them all blinking in green. And if it's red, that means it failed, and we have to do it again. And there you have it, another successful calibration with the help of the handlebar attachment. Once you have this all set up and it's calibrated, you can easily cycle through until you get to the compass mode. Leave it on a flat surface so that it will calibrate itself again. It has to do that every time you go to compass mode or navigation mode. Then you'll see that as you turn the device, the colors will change. Each one is a different direction, of course. So yellow is west, and as we turn to the right, that will go into north, and then as we keep turning, we'll go into east, which is green, and then keep turning, it will go into red. Another important thing to mention here is the direction that we're pointing in has a lot to do with the way the JordiLight logo is set up. If you see here, the J logo is actually upright, and that would mean that pointing this way is right now is east. And if we turn this way, pointing that way is exactly north, like that. And then pointing this way is west, and this way again is south. And I hope that explains any questions. Please do feel free to join our website, go to our website and send us an email, contact us through our support channels, or even through our WhatsApp or social media. Thank you again for watching, and enjoy your adventures.